AMZClothes is marketed as a site selling trendy, high-end fashion pieces at very low prices. But the real question is whether it's actually a legit clothing store or just another risky replica site. Now, the idea behind sites like this isn't new. Many online stores sell inspired or replica fashion at discounted prices. Some deliver what they promise, but many operate in a gray area with quality, legality, and reliability. However, here's the key point. AMZClothes shows multiple high-risk warning signs you shouldn't ignore. What it actually does well: attractive pricing. The site offers designer-style clothing at very low prices, which makes it appealing. Wide product range. You'll find items inspired by luxury brands, hoodies, jackets, tees, etc. Where it falls short: extremely low trust score. Independent analysis give the site a very low trust rating, near 0 out of 100, and flags it as potentially unsafe. Very new website. The domain is only a few months old, common for short-lived or scam stores. Hidden ownership. The identity of the owner is completely hidden, making accountability difficult. So, is AMZClothes real or fake? AMZClothes is not a reliable, established clothing store. At best, it's a replica clothing site with inconsistent reliability. At worst, it follows patterns commonly seen in scam stores. If you're considering buying, understand the risks, especially around quality, delivery, and refunds. For most people, it's safer to stick with verified retailers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.